Citing a PowerPoint presentation from an online source in APA format requires including the author's name, the year of publication, the title of the presentation, the phrase PowerPoint slides in brackets, and the URL where it can be found. To cite a website in PowerPoint using APA format, include the author's name, publication date, title of the page, and the URL. Place this information in the footer or beneath relevant content on the slide. At its most basic, APA citation for a PowerPoint slide includes the author's last name and the year of publication, presented in parentheses after the information you borrow. In your text, you might refer to the graph like this. The references slide at the end of your presentation should then provide the full details: author's full name, publication year, title of the work, and the source's URL or DOI if it's available online. Remember to format the text for readability and consistency with other citations in your presentation. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.